Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got another parcel and it is from Judy Verber, V-E-B-E-R. Now Judy lives in South Australia. Here is the parcel, Judy. I know you were worried about it getting to mitts, and it's really nice, isn't it cool? Look at that, she's wrapped it up in a nice piece of green paper, wrote choose happiness all around there, and even the piece of string, she got a piece of string on it there. Look at that, isn't that cool? I think it might be something I might have to dig into here. We'll get into it, don't worry, nobody panic. These big scissors, I don't know if I need those. You know what, when I'm out in the lounge room I can find, that's where I do a bit of crafting, I can usually find stuff, right? I come in here, actually I can only ever find one pair of scissors out there, the same ones that I don't want. In here I can't find any. So I don't know what I've done, where I've put them. Judy, you've got me tied up here. I'll have to cut you a little bit of string. And this handy dandy knifey thing that I got here. Okay. Now I don't want to put any of these on people. I'll be putting all these videos up separate for people that send me something, because I don't want to. Oh, I'm going to have to tear this. I'm going to have to tear this. I'm sorry, but I can't. I'll be here all day. It's still hot here in Australia. People are supposed to be. Aren't we supposed to be in winter yet? No, but close to it, I think. We're up to something. I never keep a track of what we're up to, but I think it's supposed to be cooling down here one day eventually, but it's not working. Forward. Here we go. Look, we've got something. She's done this nicely in here. I've got it in here. I've got to get this out. This is more than one piece of fabric. Oh dear, Judy. My goodness me. Sent me a pile here. Thank you so much. I'll just set this I'll set this here. I'll put that back over there a bit. Something now. Let's put that one there. We'll sit down there for a minute. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Thank you so much. Oh, lovely. In a lovely envelope. And she's put a nice piece of ribbon. And I've got a really cool dangly bit. An earring, look. She hooked him around there. And lovely, what's the name? You undo those, don't you? Yes, you do, to pull it undone, I think. There's a bit of tape under there to hold it. Oh wow. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Judy. I've got a little note here, and it is, I'm not going to read this out because I'd rather just leave it, and read it later if that's okay. So this is from Judy. Thank you so much, Judy. That is very kind of you. Yes, of course you wanted me to read it, but it's a little bit a nice note, so we'll have that later. And we'll look at this now. Oh, look at this. Oh, oh, look at this. She sent me this nice stuff here. Oh, I love tassely bits. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, look, I got a heap. She sort of sewed it together a bit so it wouldn't all come unravelled, I guess. But look at that. Isn't that neat? Oh, I love that. Just a thing to put on my books. Thank you, Judy. That is good. Oh, it's so good. Thank you. Oh, I love it. And there's lots and lots there. Thank you. Oh, and the colour's really awesome. And I'll open this in a minute. I needed serviette. I just was looking for serviette. It's different. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is nice. Look at it. It's got Paris on it. And I know they have 4 pieces, like 4 sides, so you get 4 pictures. And these flowers, love green things. Love green. Look at this. Oh, look. Oh, isn't that good? Thank you. Thank you so much, and I've got 2 of those. Love the birds. I love the bird ones. Thank you so much, Judy. They are so cool. Look at this. Everybody, there's birds all over this one. I've got 4 birds, and then she sent me 2, so now I've got 8 birds, have I? And butterflies. Really nice things to put on everything. You can use these serviettes go on so much different stuff, doesn't it? You know, you can, and I've got another one the same as that one there. Okay, so thank you very much for those. They are really cool. Thank you. Oh, maybe, oh look, I got a little note. I got another little note. Oh, thank you. A few bits from her stash, she says here. Just a few bits from her stash. Hopes I can use them. Thank you so much, Judy. That's very kind of you. And there's a really nice piece of ribbon here. Look at this. A really nice piece of ribbon. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful colour? And so is this. Oh, I've got some pins. I love this material, fabric. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look, she's put in a few bits for me. Look. Oh, wow. I got a present. This is like a parcel, isn't it? Oh, I love these. Oh, look at this. Oh, bird cages. Oh, that's cool. Isn't it neat? Oh, like that. And this one. Should be able to see that on the green, eh? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Love bows. Always can use lots of bows. So I've got a nice little parcel here of bows. Look. Look at them, aren't they beaut? I'm going to leave them in there so I don't lose them, but these are really nice, aren't they? Never seen anything like this before. These are cool. They're really neat, aren't they? Thank you very much, Judy. They are so neat. I love them. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at these. And she's clipped it on this neat way with this clip that I'm going to hopefully get there. I got it. Look at these. Oh, wow. Oh, these are nice. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look, I love that. Oh, I love that. That's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I just absolutely love them. Oh, do I like all things. You wouldn't think that we could keep coming and finding so much different stuff, would you? Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much. Lots of little packets of stuff. There's a little packet of things. Oh, she sent me some little note paper. This is neat. She made me a little notebook. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Oh, thank you so much, Judy. Thank you. Oh, this is neat, isn't it? Oh, it's really nice. I love that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh dear, all the little bits and pieces. Thank you so much. Oh, your washi tape seems to be sticking fine. I was watching a lady this morning. She always puts glue under hers because it doesn't. Sometimes some of them do, but others do. This one's a good one. It sticks very good. It's really good, but if I reuse it, I will. I probably will. I'll need to put some glue on maybe, because it's already been used one time. I'm looking at these. These are cool, aren't they? Oh wow. I like these bits. Love to put these bits on things. I do. These would be nice in my gypsy albums. I'm really slack with my gypsy albums lately. I'm just really, you know how you get over things a bit. You've got to keep away from it for a while. But when you haven't had a chance to get into doing stuff, it's really hard to get back to it too. So look what she sent me. All these dear little bits and pieces. Oh, I love these. Oh dear, look at that. Oh wow. These here are awesome. Oh, look at them. Got lots of them. I've got really nice flowers. Sent me some really nice flowers. Hope you can see all these things without. I'm just going to sit them on this glue so I can pick them all up, and then we can just look through. See? Look at that. Oh, isn't this neat? Look at here. They're little roses. They're neat, aren't they, those little roses? I love these little white sequin looking things. They're like flowers. I do love them. They're all different and really cool. There's a little bow. Thank you so much, Judy. These are really awesome. Look at that little flower. Wow. Thank you. I really like that. Thank you so much. They're absolutely wonderful. I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag, I think, because I don't want to. I'll just get one here. It's a bit big, but at least I'll be able to get them out without them sticking to the side bits, and that's okay. I mean, whatever people use to store their things, but if I do them like that, I don't have to worry about them fallen everywhere because I, you know, sometimes we fumble about a bit with things. I might put those back in there too, Judy, so I can find those as well. I don't want to be losing any of the things you sent me so much. Thank you so much, Dom. They're very nice. And this is what they came wrapped in, and this is awesome, isn't it? Look at that. And then she sent me some pieces of fabric with a stick pin. Oh, thank you. I can always use stick pins. Always use a stick pin. I have a pin thing over here for stick pins. I'll put him in there. Oh dear, they're getting a bit hot. I'm using another fan that's over the other side of the room because I didn't want to be making noise. This is a neat idea, isn't it? And these are gold ones. I haven't seen any gold ones. I see black ones and silver ones and maybe other colours, but I don't think I've seen the gold ones. It's a good idea, isn't it? Oh, they love the colour of this. Wow, isn't that nice? Thank you so much. Isn't that awesome? It's beautiful and soft. It's a piece of very... I don't think I can tell you what it is because it's not taffeta. It's sort of like a lining fabric. And it's, oh, here's another stick pin. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's made with those little flowers. Thank you so much, Judy. That is good. Oh, that's awesome. I'll put him over there. This is nice. Oh, yes, I like this one too. Oh, thank you. This is awesome, isn't it? Like a furnishing fabric. Beautiful. You could use either side of that, but I'm really partial to that side first. And then we've got this one here. It is a piece of Broder-on glaze, I'd say that's what you call him. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much, Judy. I really appreciate these. I love the colours, all the colours you put together here. I love the colours, and I love the fabric, and this is going to be really awesome to make flowers too as well, because these really thin ones, I love to make flowers with those. They're really beautiful. Thank you. And I've got here something else that has travelled border. It's got little stamps on it, and there's a thing on there, and you can undo this and keep in here and see what's in here. Oh. Oh, thank you. There's a, oh, I love this. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, thank you. Isn't these nice? Isn't these nice? Dear me, my words are terrible today. Aren't these beautiful? And they're really very fine, beautiful. Absolutely. Thank you. These are going to look cool in my book too. And the envelope. Oh, the envelope. It's awesome. Thank you so much. I think the cat's trying to get in the door. He likes to be with me, but he can't. He's too helpful. This is so lovely, Judy. Thank you so much for sharing all this wonderful stuff with me. I did really only need the piece of fabric, but I really do appreciate all these other lovely things that you've sent me. I really do, and the trouble that you've gone to put it all in nice little packagings and everything. I really do love it all. Thank you so much, and I will read your lovely note in a minute. Okay, so thank you very much, Don, for entering my competition, and thank you everybody. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.